if you're running short of matches in the kitchen, don't panic, because you can have a new box of matches in next to no time, provided you do 3 things fairly quickly. The first thing to do is to look into the matchbox itself, and when you see that you're down to about the last 3 or 4 matches, tip them out. Number 2, blow into the matchbox, and then number 3, close the tray and shake the box. And you should find that if you do that carefully, you'll end up with about enough money to buy a new box of matches. Silly trick? Did you work out how I did it? In case you didn't, here's what you do. You start off with the matchbox closed when nobody's around, and then you wedge the coin between the tray and the lid of the box. There we are. Then you push the tray open, holding the coin in place. Keep pushing it, keep pushing it, keep pushing it, until it's about 2/3 of the way open, and make sure the coin isn't showing up here. And you're ready to trick the next person who comes in the kitchen.